Hello, baby. Welcome. Welcome to Little Learn Fun Kids. Look up, baby. The sun is smiling. Hello, happy sun. Let's play together, slowly, calmly. Look, baby, a circle, round and soft. Circle. Now look, a square, soft and gentle. Square. Wow, a shining star. Twinkle, twinkle, star. Now, baby, red color. Soft red, pretty red. Now look, blue color. Calm blue, nice blue. Now see, yellow color. Warm yellow, happy yellow. Look, baby, bubbles. Big bubbles. Float, float, pop. Hello, little dog. Woof, woof. Good dog. Hello, little cat. Meow, meow. Sweet cat. Now it's night, baby. Look at the moon. Hello, moon. Little stars. Twinkle, twinkle. Time to rest. Time to sleep. Good night, baby. Sweet dreams. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.